Creative Redundancy back again. It's time to make another exciting video as I make a grilled cheese, egg, pork, sausage sandwich. I mix the two eggs now. Alright, I got the sausage and the pork in there, just cooking up, or heating up. Because the pork is actually already cooked, but the sausage has to be cooked, so I'm cooking it up a little before I add it to the rest of it. Mix that up really well. A little bit of sriracha, hot sauce. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, pan's preheated. Put the mixture in. Spread out the protein and the sausage and the pork. Put a lid on, and then turn on the heat down to medium. Let that sit for about 5 minutes, give or take, or until it cooks. It's almost ready to merge with the bread. Alright, now I'm making the sandwich. I toasted the bread, I got some cheese in there, and the omelet, egg, pork, sausage combo is in the middle. So now let that heat warm up. Melt the cheese. I've already toasted the bread earlier in the toaster, and I have the heat set to low. Look how good this looks. And I don't mean just the coffee, I meant the sandwich. Look at that. Taste test. Oh, so hot. This is really good. So I'm gonna go finish this off. Finish off my coffee too with it. Enjoy my breakfast here. So as the world changes, so must oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video, an exciting video for me, it's peace out from you know who, Creative Redundancy. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.